My name is Kailee Na. I'm 23 years old and I'm majoring in education. Um, the piece is about my dad when he was diagnosed with cancer for the first time when I was around 15 years old. Um, I honestly didn't want to enter the contest, but my Hawaiian teacher read it and told me to submit it, so I did. And I guess I didn't do too bad, so I'm happy I did it. Yeah, it's just about my dad and how he was diagnosed with cancer and all the feelings I went through, the family when he told everyone. Writing is, honestly, it's been on the back burner. I'm putting, studies first. But being in education and wanting to teach is something it's not really a career goal, writing is, but it's something that I'll always get to fall back on if writing doesn't work out. But writing is what I love to do, and I'll do it all the time, no matter what. And obviously someone liked it, and they told me to submit it, so it just took one person to boost my confidence. And yeah, that's all it took.